We must protect the position of the American dollar as a pillar of monetary stability around the world.
The US dollar, once the undisputed leader among world currencies, is now at risk of extinction. Approximately 60% of the value of all international currencies is currently represented by the US dollar, although this tendency is quickly shifting. As Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa band together to create their own global reserve currency, the world is becoming de-dollarized. It's critical to comprehend how this important financial event, which is presently taking place, will affect US. The US dollar was not always the world's reserve currency. Several currencies had this position in the past, including France from 1720 to 1815 and the United Kingdom from 1815 to 1920. After the Bretton Woods Pact, the US dollar inherited this position. Since the US lost its position as the world's reserve currency around a century ago, billionaire Ray Dalio estimates that it changes once every 94 years. As a result, the US dollar's expiry date has already passed, and this transformation is currently taking place. The Bretton Woods Agreement, formed immediately after WW2, bound other currencies to the US dollar, and the dollar became enormously strong. However, the US ran out of money in 1971, and President Richard Nixon declared that the US would no longer honor its pledge to exchange 1 ounce of gold for $35. The value of the dollar was only supported by debt when the US ran out of gold in 1971. Despite this, the dollar's third superpower, the sole capacity to purchase oil, meant that the rest of the world couldn't just go back to its own money. President Franklin D. Roosevelt held a secret meeting with Saudi Arabia's monarch in 1945, pledging security in exchange for the sole right for the United States to develop Saudi Arabian oil. This deal established the petrodollar, which required countries to retain US dollars in order to buy oil. As a result, the US dominated the world for the last century and occasionally utilized this supremacy to deny other nations access to their vital source of energy. As certain nations revolt against this domination, new coalitions are being created to challenge the US dollar's predominance. However, if you look closely, you'll see that the US dollar's value is really rising and has just approached its peak during the previous 20 years. One explanation is the progressive decline in the overall number of US dollars kept in circulation across the world. Another reason is that the US has shown the world how effective the dollar can be when used against a nation. As shown in the instance of Russia when its foreign currency reserves were threatened with being used to support Ukraine and were subsequently blocked. As a result, nations are forging more of their own alliances and partnerships with Russia's assistance, which supplies energy. This has been going on in the background for a while. For instance, the UN permitted Iraq to sell oil in euros rather than dollars in 2000, while Iran completely stopped exporting oil in dollars by 2007. With the signing of a $400 billion investment agreement, Iran followed Russia and China in ditching the US currency in 2014. India and Japan also joined Iran in doing the same. Other nations are joining forces as well, including Iran and India, Russia, and many more. Recently, China and Saudi Arabia joined together to develop the petro-yuan, a rival to the petrodollar. Alliances like the BRICS nations, which account for 31.5% of global GDP, are becoming more powerful as additional states want to join. Even the Federal Reserve's Jerome Powell has stated that numerous international reserve currencies are viable. Because of this, some individuals think that the US dollar may be approaching its end. There is some gray area where the truth lies. It's crucial to keep in mind that this concept has been discussed for years before we start becoming alarmed about the end of the dollar. The first articles warning of the dollar's fall appeared in 1975, and many more have appeared since then. It's true that efforts have been made to replace the dollar, but not everyone believes it will ever happen. The dollar remains the dominating currency for worldwide commerce, with the Chinese yuan expanding at the cost of the euro and Japanese yen but not the dollar. Therefore, even though there may be some validity to the rumors concerning the end of the dollar, we shouldn't act hastily. It's crucial to keep in mind that most currencies have had ups and downs throughout history, and the dollar is no different. The dollar is still the dominating currency in international trade, despite some recent moves to the contrary. As a result, any significant change would likely take a long time to materialize, maybe spanning many decades.